Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is a request for permanently banning the paraquat dichloride, Chairman, sir, which this herbicide is highly poisonous. It is killing our constituents, destroying rural health, poisoning the soil, water and air that our farming communities depend, sir. This herbicide is used for weed control. And this herbicide is easily available across all the pesticide stores in our country and including online stores like Amazon and Flipkart. Most of the suicides in our country which are committed, they are using paraquat, sir. Accidental deaths, mostly children who touch this, which is stored in a bottle, consume it, and most of the deaths of the children are also due to this paraquat. It is reported that there are 100 suicide deaths in Telangana alone and almost 1,000 suicide deaths in India every month by consuming this paraquat, sir. Telangana High Court recently has directed state and central governments to respond to this issue. Chairman, sir, even in Miraj, Maharashtra, reports are 50 deaths every month which are occurring there due to this paraquat. Unfortunately, there's no antidote for this paraquat. Normally, such herbicides are banned when they do not have an antidote. The emetic solution used in this should be 0.5%, but in India, what is being sold is only at 0.1%. So that does not create a vomiting sensation, which would have acted as an antidote and have got the pesticide out of the system, sir. The Indian Medical Association recently held meetings across the country, including Hyderabad, and have requested to ban this herbicide immediately, Chairman, sir. Sir, 74 countries across the globe have withdrawn from the market of this paraquat, including big markets like China, Brazil, EU and UK, and also our neighboring countries like Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Government should order deregistration and ban of paraquat dichloride under the Insecticides Act of 1968. Establish a paraquat victim relief fund to support families who died or suffering long-term damages. Alternate weed controls like bush cutters, power weeders, other harmless chemicals like glyphosate and pesticrol should be given on subsidy, as this is a major harm, especially to the farmers who are using it very rampantly, unaware that there is this killing pesticide which is surrounding them, sir. So I request the government to immediately respond and impose a national ban on this dangerous pesticide. Thank you, sir.
Shriman Professor Ram Gopal Yadav ji.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान.
No, that is coming in between, sir.
Paramilitary forces.
Give mic, please.
This shirt is separate.